So the lawn, Harrison, looks great. We went through the process in the last month of seeding it, and look, all of the brown area is just about gone. Doesn't it look good? And all of this time that we've spent watering every day and getting it all ready, now the lawn is getting super thick, and probably waited a little too long to get it cut. So I think we just need to have you do a nice mow of the backyard. Nothing too fancy. You're just gonna mow the lawn, and how about this? Let's make this a little interesting, all right? Mm-hmm. I will give you...
Is it a drone?
No, well, it's just, we have bags full of grass, right? Yeah. So I will give you, instead of a straight amount of money to mow the lawn, how about we do $10 a bag?
For real?
For real.
Okay.
So, but you have to fill the bags up to at least where they're full. They have a line on them.
Oh, shoot. I think I'm just going to be mowing for a week.
You're going to be mowing for a week?
I'm just going to wait till I mow the soil until I get to do it.
Well, that just gives you all of the... I want to see this lawn completely done.
$100.
If you got 10 bags, you could get $100. And one other thing, you have to use our new weed whacker, the new string trimmer, to get the edges, like over here.
At least that's easy.
See, look at all these edges right here.
At least that's not heavy.
No, it's not heavy. You can use the one. Look how long this is right here. And this one especially, look. Okay, so what are the rules?
I don't know.
$10 a bag.
And I have to use the string trimmer for this?
That's right. Let's get the lawnmower filled with gas. It was just about empty, and then you can get started. There's bags already in the back, but I'll get some more bags. I think there's 4 bags, okay? Want to see how many bags you have so far?
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
So, Dad, one bag is 10, so 10 plus 20, it's like $20.
If you get 2 bags?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. All right, that's not a bad start. That might be maybe 1 full bag when we get it all in there. All right, let's go get the bags and get started counting. To about right here, we'll say, okay? Because you need enough space to close it up. empty, but it's, you know, about that far from being the first one full. All right, time to keep going. Well, it should be at least enough to fill up this bag a little bit more, and then start bag number 2.
Then how many dollars do I have right now?
Well, once you finish this bag, it'll be $10. And then you'll start bag number for 20.
Yeah. Guys, we got a ball inside.
You know, this one is one of the good ones, but it got chewed up. Yep. I thought I got all of them. All right, so
Well, what did we say? You didn't get all of them.
I didn't get all of them. All right, so you're almost, I'd say about 20. You got a little bit more to go. Probably at least one more good load will give you a full $20.
I think 20 is enough for me.
You think 20 is enough for you?
Yeah.
Are you saying that you're done mowing right now?
If we have $20, yes.
If I give you $20 for this, you're done mowing?
Yes.
But you know what you still need to do?
What?
You still need to do the edge trimmer. How about we get that out and you can finish that? All right? I really thought you'd get a little bit more, meaning more grass, but I don't think there's much more. I mean, there's probably one more bag's worth. But if you're good with 20, you can keep your 20. All right, I'm gonna get eye protection. You get started. Oh, wait, go back. Hey, you're missing all that. You're not going close enough. You gotta earn your money. And this part right here, look, right there, all that. There you go. Time to finish up and see how much more Harrison could have made. I think it stopped up. I'm gonna check. Yep, it stopped up. So, gotta get all that out. Oh, it looks pretty full. At least this side. That's bag number 3. Alright, so it was 4 bags at the end. But Harrison will get paid for 2. I get to keep the rest for myself. We're going to take these and drop them off, but I think the lawn looks 100% better, especially when you look back and see how it looked before all of the reseeding. Alright, hope you enjoyed that video. Just in case Harrison doesn't say goodbye, like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.